Hello guys, it's me Sylvia, okay? Again, we are going to work in the phonology part. How are you today? Fine? Sounds great. Okay, the page that we are going to work is the page number 7, vocabulary lesson number 1. In this part, we are going to work on this part. Nos vamos a trabajar en esta parte, okay? We have the words year, yes, cherry, yellow, river, yarn, yogurt, mirror, oral, and parrot. Okay, this is the vocabulary lesson number 1. Using our words, ¿qué vamos a hacer? Read the following definitions, lee las siguientes definiciones, match them to the words on the right y únelas con las palabras de la derecha by drawing a line, haciendo una línea. Ok, vamos a leer las definiciones y vamos a unirla al que corresponde. You know already the definition of this word. Ya sabes la definición de las palabras, el significado, ok. The color of the sun, el color del sol. Ok, escogemos acá y la unimos. Ok, excellent. The number 2 says, a reflecting glass. Vidrio que refleja. Ok, excellent. La number 3 needs a bow to shoot it. Necesitas un arco para tirarlo. Ok, excellent. A long and a flowing body of water. Un grande y fluido cuerpo de agua. Excellent. 12 months. 12 meses. Okay. A colorful bird that speaks. Una ave colorida que habla. Opposite of no, el opuesto de no. Used for knitting. Es utilizado para tejer. Okay. Small and a round red fruit. Pequeña y redonda fruta roja. Okay. A delicious daily product. Un delicioso producto diario. Okay, excellent, very good. If you have any questions or concerns, let me know by platform or by email, and I'm going to give you assistance as soon as possible, okay? And remember, whatever you decide to do, make sure it makes you happy, okay? Have a nice day. Goodbye. Bye-bye.